Hi, my name is Dr. Diallo, an academic coach and a test prep expert with Study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Computer Science K-12 with testing code 005 assessment? This assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of the historical aspects and social issues related to computer technologies. If so, you are in the right place because I am here to walk you through multiple sample test problems as well as several test-taking strategies to assist you on test day. Let's begin by taking a look at problem number 1. Which of the following scenarios is an example of the misuse of copyrighted materials? A. Exceeding the user limit in a software license. B. Adhering to a software's EULA. C. Fair use quoting in a review. Or D. Archiving software as allowed by license. So we'll notice in the question, we're looking for the example of the misuse of copyrighted materials. So we're going to eliminate the answers below to choose the one best answer. Well, this scenario represents a violation of the software's license agreement, which typically specifies the number of installations or users allowed. Installing the software on more systems or for more users than the license permits is a form of piracy and intellectual property misuse. Answer choices B, C, and D are all in compliance of using copyrighted materials and are the correct use of a user agreement. Therefore, the only answer choice that is a misuse is answer choice A, exceeding the user limit in a software license. What is the ethical responsibility of a digital citizen when participating in online communities? A, sharing others' personal information without consent to increase community engagement. B, reporting vulnerabilities in a website's security to the appropriate authorities or the website owner. C, using anonymizing services to post negative reviews about competitors unfairly. Or D, collecting data from social media profiles for marketing purposes without users' knowledge. So here we are looking at ways to be ethically responsible when participating in online communities. Well, ethical digital citizenship involves responsible behavior that includes reporting security risks and vulnerabilities to the proper entities so that they can be addressed. This action helps protect the community and upholds the integrity and privacy of the users. The sharing of personal information without consent, using anonymizing services to post negative reviews, and collecting data from social media profiles illegally are all unethical practices and should be avoided at all costs. The only correct answer of ethical responsibility is B, reporting vulnerabilities in a website's security to the appropriate authorities or the website owner. Which invention is considered a significant milestone in the development of modern computer processors? A, the creation of the first mechanical calculator by Blaise Pascal. B, the development of the integrated circuit by Jake Kilby and Robert Noyce. C, the introduction of the World Wide Web by Tim Berners-Lee. Or D, the design of the analytical engine by Charles Babbage. Within the question, our focus point should be that we're looking for an invention, and it needs to be a significant milestone when we're talking about the development of the modern computer processor. The invention of the integrated circuit, IC, or microchip was a critical milestone in the development of modern computers. ICs allowed for the miniaturization of electronic circuits and are the foundation of all modern computer processors. The creation of this integrated circuit made it possible to produce smaller, more powerful, and more reliable computers. While answer choices A, C, and D all involve technological advancements and inventions, the only ones that deals specifically with computer processors is B, the development of the integrated circuit by Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce. Which of the following practices is most effective in maintaining the confidentiality of sensitive information when using email communications? A, sending sensitive information in the subject line for easy identification. B, using a strong, unique password for email accounts and enabling two-factor authentication. C, sharing passwords with trusted colleagues in case of emergency access needs. Or D, forwarding received sensitive emails to personal accounts for backup. We are looking for the most effective in maintaining the confidentiality of information when using email. Well, strong passwords help protect email accounts from unauthorized access, and two-factor authentication adds an additional layer of security, making it more difficult for attackers to gain access even if they have the password. Maintaining the confidentiality of sensitive information often starts with securing the means of communication. Answer choices A, C, and D are not considered best practices in use of email and should be avoided due to negative consequences. Therefore, answer choice B, using a strong, unique password for email accounts and enabling two-factor authentications, is the best answer choice. Well, hopefully, you found that video to be helpful and full of important test-taking skills. For more practice, check out our FTCE Computer Science K-12 005 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head on over to study.com and check out our FTCE Computer Science K-12 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% passing rate because our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of practice problems, and short targeted video lessons to help you prepare for exactly what you're going to see on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you can get the latest FTCE testing updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you the very best of luck. Happy studying.